Brooks, a nice little Waffle House.
Sounds like you've like done this a few times, huh?
Yeah.
Someone forgot to hit the record button,
Yeah.
you know?
I wonder who did that.
Someone also forgot to take the cap off the camera. I wonder who that was. Oh shit. I got it! No, but we're at like 3rd Street Promenade and he's gonna see Santa Monica Pier. He hasn't been there. So,
It's gonna be some fun.
some tourist stuff.
Some tourist stuff.
But yeah, we're getting some chicken and waffles. This place is really good. I highly recommend it. It's called Brexy. It's in Santa Monica. It's really good.
You better not be overhyping it.
I'm not. The chicken's so good. Like, I swear on my life, it's so good.
I'll be the judge of that.
All right. So are the waffles. The waffles are pretty good, but the chicken is definitely better. Like hands down.
Very good.
Oh, look at that.
Very good. I would recommend it.
Good.
Hi.
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 I'm on the wrong setting.
Here you
Hi.
are. Hi.
I'm on the right setting this time.
Nice. So it always takes 2 tries.
To be on the right setting.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fucking people.
It's quite a bit.
Yeah.
Think about it.
Go. On purpose.
You're a piece of shit.
Hey Jess. Say hi. You think I'm taking a photo?
Yeah,
It's a recording. Oh, we're in the way. Sorry.
So I looked it up.
Oh no, we're not. I'm just dumb. Hi. Where are we?
Oh, there is one now in
Yes. It's called The Mission. It is a what?
Conscientious.
It's a breakfast place that has it's 5 stars. It's supposed to be really good.
Here's French toys. Toys?
Toys?
I noticed it downtown one time. I think I went to a baseball game last year.
Some tortilla
and I saw
soup.
a sign. Yeah. So it's somewhere in East Village.
You good?
Yeah, there's one.
What? You good?
I'm tired. You look so tired.
Kind of thing.
Okay, so I guess we're going to
Got Alaska with us.
If I don't eat, then I have 0 energy.
Well, you're about to
You
eat.
did wake her up pretty early.
I know I did.
So, there's Tay in Alaska on a paddleboard. Surprised they haven't fallen off yet, but you know. Hi, Tay. I'm recording. Yeah, I'll take a picture. I'll take a picture. Hold on.
From the morning mashup, and those are this week's small screen streams. If you streamed anything good, tell me about it at Mashup Lion. Now,
We are at the beach.
It's very hot.
It is very hot.
Dying. Sunscreen.
Oof. He forgot his sunscreen, so he's probably gonna die. I'm good though, you know. I'm gooch. You know, chocolate skin. I'm great.
Must be nice.
Yeah. Just get darker, forehead. Just get darker.
Forehead.
Yeah.
Let me get right on that.
No.
Okay.